Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Scarlet's Little Crafting Corner. I'm Scarlet and I am so happy that you're all here with me today. I have got another unbagging for you. These are the budget-friendly diamond paintings that I have been getting through Amazon. And this one is a little late. I had it, but it was over in the pile and oh well. I'll have it for next year if I want to keep it for next year. So, I hope everybody's having a great day. I appreciate all the comments. I appreciate everybody watching the videos. And I appreciate everybody checking out my Etsy shop, Just Minder Business. So, thank you, everyone. So, let's get into this diamond painting, if I can get it out of here. Now, I'm not sure if they still have this in stock. I will be honest, I did not go look before I made the video. But this is poured glue. And the canvas actually, it's a rough canvas, but it feels pretty good. Alright, now I gave $7.98 for this one. And it is the St. Patrick's Day Gnomes. Or that's what I'm calling it anyway. And I thought they're really cute. I love gnomes. I just absolutely adore them. I think they are so cute. So I'm trying to collect all of them that are in, like, you know, all the holiday gnomes and stuff. Because I think they're just really, really cute. So, before we get into the canvas, let's look and see what we got. So, we have got 2 single placer pins, but one comes with, well, if I can get this open, it comes with a multi-placer, and it looks like it's probably a 7 or a 10. I'm not real sure. So it comes with one single placer pin and then one single placer pin with the multi-placer. Comes with a green boat, a pink squishy, and it comes with a pretty good sized thing of wax and a few bags. That's not a bad kit. Alright, so let's get into the drills. Like I said, I hope everybody's having a great day. So, am I the only one who likes gnome diamond paintings? Anybody else like them? I think they're really cute. So, alright, so these are, let's see. Now, they are coded with the DMC numbers on the canvas chart, but not on the baggies. But that's okay. And this is a round. But there's this. This is like a gray. I don't know if y'all can tell in the camera, but it's like a grayish color. And then a peachy flesh tone looking color. Alright. What do we got? We have got 28 colors in this. So, we're just going to roughly go through these pretty quickly. There's 2 different shades of purple. These are a little lighter. Of course, there's a lot of green. Some orange. Some blue. There's a little bit of brown. More green. Another big bag of green. And some grays. And the canvas code is on the bags of drills. So, if you are one of those who put your store your canvas and your bags of drills separate, you'll be able to know what drills goes with this canvas. I'm just going to kind of fold these up a little bit. Set them to the side. Alright, so we have, this is a 30 by 40. It has the serial number, code number, whatever, canvas number on the top, which, like I said, it's on the drills. You have your color key, a little thumbnail, and then you have another color key over here on the bottom. So that way, if you're like me, this is how I diamond paint. I flip it, I flop it, I twist it and turn it every which way. I even do the big canvases like that. They're harder, but I do end up in, twisting them around. So, let's go down a little bit. And I know that there's a glare right here, and I apologize for that. So, let's look and see what this canvas drill field looks like. It doesn't look too bad, especially with all the green. And at least they put a light number on the back, or on a dark background. I'll get it out here in a minute. But I don't see anything. I mean, it looks pretty good. Let's see. We have got numbers, letters, and then one little symbol right there, a little plus sign. So that's not bad. And I don't see anything. Well, no. I don't see anything on the color key that's gonna try to trip me up or anything. So what y'all think about this one? Like I said, St. Patrick's Day is already passed, and I could save it for next year, but I'm not one of those who, if it's a St. Patrick's Day, I have to wait and do it on St. Patrick's Day. Nope. If I want to do this one tomorrow, I'll do it tomorrow. Doesn't make any difference to me. So, all right, y'all. What do you think? Like I said, I gave $7.98 for this one. Not a bad little kit. Still under $10. And the toolkit's like a step above the normal generic crappy toolkit. So yeah, what do y'all think? Leave me a comment below. Let me know what y'all think about the gnomes. If anybody else likes gnomes. Has everybody that likes gnomes, do you have all the gnome kits? Are you trying to collect them? Let me know down below. All right, y'all. Until my next video, I will see all y'all later. Bye, y'all.